Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming permissions and the app version so themes apply correctly. This avoids conflicts later. Once done, back up or note your current keyboard settings so you can revert if needed. Now open the app and jump straight to the Themes tab. Tapping New Theme begins creation. You're taking the first actionable steps. Select a base layout and font, then pick a color palette to anchor visual choices. These early decisions determine readability and key spacing. You'll next refine the layout and interactive details so the keyboard feels natural. Small adjustments matter. Start by resizing keys and tuning spacing, then use preview mode to type a few words and confirm comfort. Make sure to set fonts and label contrast for legibility, and assign colors for normal, pressed, and disabled states so feedback is clear. Once those basics are set, add optional elements like an emoji row or custom long press actions to speed up frequent entries. You'll finish by saving and applying the theme so changes go live across apps. Make sure to set it as the active keyboard and restart the host app if required. Then test in messaging, email, and a browser to confirm consistent appearance and response. If keys misalign or styles don't load, clear the keyboard cache, toggle permissions in settings, and reapply the theme. This often resolves asset loading issues. Finally, keep a backup to restore quickly if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.